Hey guys, so today we're going to look at this Soft Digits mini flexible tripod. It's a very budget, very durable tripod and we're going to have a look at it today. So this is a tripod that I found on Amazon. I wanted something within budget. I got this one for £17, so roughly $20. So first of all, let's go over what you actually get. So obviously you get the tripod itself, this little remote shutter. It's just got two buttons and you connect up with Bluetooth and then you can fire your phone from a distance. Here you've got the actual phone adapter itself. This of course is where you can place your phone on like this. It's adjustable and has a mount there for the tripod itself. You just screw it on here like that, tighten it up and you're good to go. And you've got your very steady tripod there. It also comes with a nice little GoPro mount. I don't have a GoPro, so I can't really show you how this works, but it basically just mounts your GoPro to this nice little tripod here. Now, this tripod itself is made of strong and durable materials. It's got these what they call neo rubber legs and these non-slip feet. So once you've got it down, it's not slipping anywhere. These adjustable legs obviously allow you to put it in a normal tripod mode like this, or say if you want to lower it, you can adjust the legs like so, and now you have a tripod at a lower level. So yeah, they suggest twisting it around like this, and then you've got a nice firm handle to hold your phone in. Just as an example here, you know, you've got a nice little vlogging camera, which is always great. It has this 360 swivel ball right here, which you can adjust by loosening up here. And then you've got this quite significant 360 adjustable ball here. So you can adjust it to any angle that you want. And then you just tighten it up again when you've got your preferred angle. As you can see, it also has a mount on the side here, so I can go ahead and take this off. And I can screw it into the side here. And now we have a different tripod style. So it suits a lot of styles and you can use it for a variety of situations. Now, this clip itself is got some foam padding on the inside, along with it just being quite a durable plastic. A lot of these ones have really cheap plastic, and this one seems quite durable from what I can tell. The legs themselves can also be wrapped around, say, posts or trees, things like that, to help you to get the shots that you need, the shots that you want. Say if you're out and about, vlogging style, or you're taking a group selfie together and you want to wrap it around a little tree, so you can wrap it around a tree like that. And then obviously you've got the remote shutter that you can do from a distance. Overall, I was really impressed with the quality of this tripod, to be quite honest. The legs were a lot more durable than I thought for, you know, £17, $20. And it's something that I've been testing for a few weeks now, and I've seen no give in the legs themselves. They're still really strong. You know, you can adjust them in any way you sort of want, and they haven't lost their strength in terms of that. So overall, I'd say if you're looking for a budget tripod, I would definitely go for this one. It's one of the best ones I've seen in 2020. So I'll leave some links in the description if you want to get it from Amazon. If you have any other questions about this, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's my review for this tripod. See you in the next one.